Hi everyone, Patricia Worby Lockdown Gardener here, and just a little note for all of you at home new to gardening. I just wanted to introduce some of the main tools that I use. First, essential pair of secateurs. These are a pair of bypass secateurs, so in other words the blade crosses over, it bypasses. In fact, you can see it better that way. Absolutely essential, you need a pair of those. You also need a pair of good quality shears if you can. Although these days a lot of people use electric hedge trimmers. I'll be doing a separate video on electrical stuff. These are a pair of loppers, again bypass type. These ones, although absolutely old and as you can see they've had great use, are extendable, so you can actually get a lot more purchase on that. So they're really good for thick stems over 1 inch in diameter. You've also got my trusty saw, gardener's saw, that collapses so it's safe when you're carrying it in your pocket. Although that's largely been overtaken these days by marvellous battery powered hand tools like this one, which really are a gardener's friend because they take a lot of effort out. And finally, with all of these things you're going to need to keep them sharp, and I've got a nice little handy sharpener here which is great for sharpening blades. So keeping your tools sharp is really, really important. So if you just use it to scrape across the blade like that, that means you're not tearing any of the plant material as you're cutting it. So that's it. Happy gardening!